Hi everyone, Juliana here. Today's Homemade Cookies Day and we'll be making delicious chocolate chunk cookies. There are many cookies recipes out there, but every baker likes to create their own.
They are made with brown butter, which gives them that extra flavor.
For this recipe, we won't be using a machine, which makes it easier for everybody. So let's bake delicious cookies.
First, we will start by scaling our sugars. Add 200 grams of brown sugar and 100 grams of white sugar into a bowl. Now let's make some brown butter. Add 200 grams of butter into a medium saucepan over low heat. The pan needs to be light color, not black, for you to be able to see when it gets to the color you need. Let the butter melt and start to foam. Stir the pan sometimes. It's a little slow at first, but once it starts to foam, it can burn very quickly, so watch it closely. You will see the butter's milk turn brown and sink to the bottom of the pan. This is the butter caramelizing, which will smell nutty. This is also the sign to take it off the heat. Pour it over the sugars and mix well until all combined. Set aside to cool completely. Add together 2 eggs, 1 yolk, and 10 grams of vanilla extract and set aside. In another bowl, add 350 grams of flour, 5 grams of baking soda, 5 grams of baking powder and 2 grams of salt. Mix all and set aside. Now let's chop our chocolate. We will be using 200 grams of dark chocolate 70% and 150 grams of milk chocolate. Break down into some pieces before and chop very carefully. Chop over a cutting board. This one I have is just for fruits and chocolate. Now let's get our cold brown butter and sugar mixture and combine with the eggs and vanilla. Mix very well until nice and smooth. Add almost all the flour, leaving some to add with the chocolates. Fold in using a spatula gently. Do not overmix. Add the rest of the flour and chocolates and fold until all incorporated. The butter will be nice and buttery. I use 2 trays, one for storing in the freezer and one for baking. Scoop the cookies using a 1-ounce scoop for a small size and 2 times the scoop for the larger cookies. I will show you both sizes. If you don't have your own, use a spoon and your hands. Make balls and press them a bit down. Bring the cookies to the freezer for 20 minutes and start to heat your oven. If you want to have even better cookies, I recommend to put the dough in the fridge and bake them the next day. Doing this will increase all the flavors in your cookies, but bake them the same day still will be very tasty. Arrange them on a tray with parchment paper. Bake the large cookies for 12 to 14 minutes and the small cookies 8 to 10 minutes. Turn the tray for small at 5 minutes and for the large at 7 minutes. You will see them start to golden lightly around the edges and on top. If you like, put some sea salt flakes on the top just when they come out from the oven. Cool them for about 10 minutes and transfer them to a rack if you have one. If not, you can put them on another tray. These cookies are very chewy inside and really crispy on the outside. Just the way all cookies should be, in my opinion.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to click the bell for notifications from the channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.